Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, wonderful, amazing, fantastic wherever you are. Okay. So, Aquarius, this is your soulmate love reading. As you know, that I always do a soulmate reading for you in the last. So, this is your soulmate love reading. Okay, for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And this message is not going to resonate with each of you. And take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, leave the rest. Take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. And while shuffling, I got two messages for you. First is regeneration and new life, rebirth and new life. Very positive messages for your soulmate reading, Aquarius. There is a new life which is waiting for you, and there is a regeneration, and the fates is there. But let me see. Give me three more messages, then I'm going to clarify these cards. Give me three more messages for my Aquarius. Wow. All that glitters and soulmate. Yes, the all that glitters means that whatever is sparkling, shining is not always gold. So please choose carefully. And the soulmate card is here. So I will going to see what is this card means. Let me get one more energy, one more card, one more message. Breathe. Breathe, Aquarius, breathe. That is the message for you. Okay. Let me see. What is the meaning of these cards? By the way, I'm having beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. This is your soulmate reading. So there is some rebirth happening for you. Second chances, rebirth. Okay, new life is waiting for you. There is a soulmate for you, and you have to breathe. That means you have to keep patience, keep calm, Aquarius. All is well. That's why I'm telling you. That's the message from the breathe. And all that glitters means that whatever is sparkling is not always the gold. So let me see. Let me clarify these cards. What is regeneration? Wow. Love begins. That's the regeneration means. Beautiful message, beautiful clarification. Wow, Aquarius, love is beginning in your life. What is new life? Harmony and positive movement forward. Harmony is there. Can you see? That's the new life in which is waiting for you. What is all that glitters? Please clarify. Please clarify. Please clarify. So the clarification for all that glitters is you need to keep right now patience with you, Aquarius, because there is a partnership and alliances are there for you. There are things in which you are getting your partnership and alliances, but in that you will get only heartache and loss, and emotional loss is there. So it is not like that ki you will get good things, because all that sparks is not gold. Okay, so please choose carefully, have patience, and choose carefully your partnership and your alliances, because there is an emotional loss and there is heartache and loss is there. Okay, so you need to choose carefully. Do not misguide. Don't be mislead. Okay, mislead yourself, your life. Let me see. What is the meaning of soulmates? Clarify soulmates. Clarify soulmates. Wow. Transformation is coming for you, Aquarius, for sure. Transformation, wish fulfillment of wishes. 9 of Cups. Your soulmate is coming your way. Soulmate is there, and there is a spiritual strength. What is the clarification of soulmates? What is the meaning of soulmate? Please clarify soulmate. Wow. Spiritual union, prosperity begins, accelerated motion, and rejoice in celebration. Same cards have came for you day before yesterday when I did your reading. It came the same way. Spiritual union is there. You have your soulmate with you, Aquarius. Can you see? The spiritual union is there. The one who is your divine counterpart, okay, which is being made by the divine, is there, is entering in your life. There is a reconciliation for you. So soulmate is there. Rejoice in celebration. Can you see? 3 of Cups energy is there. Beautiful. Wow, Aquarius. Let me see. That's why it's the tarot messages are saying to breathe. You can breathe now, Aquarius. What is the meaning of breathe? Wow, that's why. Simple, clear answer for you. Breathe, Aquarius. Why? Because victory and success is coming your way. 6 of Wands. Breathe because victory and success is coming your way. Wow. So there is a second chances, new beginnings, okay, regeneration in your love life. Love is beginning for you, Aquarius. There is a new life which is waiting for you. And why there is, I am saying, because there is a positive movement forward and harmony which is there. This is the clarification of life. Harmony is there and positive movement forward. Okay, so this is the new life which is there for you. Okay, then there is all that glitters. So all that glitters is not gold. Okay, you have to know this. There is something in your life in which you need to keep patience, Aquarius. Why? Because there are some partnership and alliances which are coming your way. So choose carefully, Aquarius. Choose carefully with whom you are making your partnership and alliances. Why? Because there will be an heartache and loss and emotional loss that can be a possibility that it can be happen with you. Okay, so choose carefully. All that glitters is not gold. Okay, heartache and loss and emotional loss is there. So this is the message for all that glitters. Then there is a soulmate for you. So reconciliation is happening for you. Spiritual union is there and soulmate is there. So reconciliation with your divine counterpart is happening for you. You are getting transformed. Transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Your wishes are coming true. You're coming fulfilled. Your wishes are coming fulfilled. Okay, wish fulfillment is there. Fulfillment of wishes. And you're getting your spiritual strength. You're getting your spiritual strength and the prosperity, accelerated motion, rejoice in celebration. Okay, so these are 3 messages for you. Rejoice in celebration, accelerated motion, and prosperity begins. Okay, and there is a spiritual union, the one with your divine counterpart. You are going to reconcile very soon. Reconciliation is there. and you just have to breathe, okay, because success and victory is there for you, Aquarius. So breathe and do not get, just breathe and take rest. Okay, let me see what is the advice from the divine for Aquarius soulmate reading. Wow. Queen of Wands and King of Wands. This is your divine counterpart. You do not have to worry at all. That's your message from the divine, okay? Whatever third party situation was going on for you, whatever past hurts were happening in your life, in your marriage, in your past relationships are getting over, and you're coming towards the calmer waters, okay? You're coming towards the calmer waters. Six of Swords, Hierophant, Ten of Swords, and Three of Swords. Whatever past hurts were there, okay, now you're coming to the calmer waters, okay? There is a pair here, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. That is, you both are very passionate, creative, attractive personalities, okay? So there is a divine counterpart for you, okay? Let me see one thing more. Okay, what are the messages? No, I have to stop here because all I can tell you, I have told you already. And this is beautiful. Can you see? This is beautiful. 1133 was the recording reading time. So this was your soulmate love reading, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Wow. Can you see these 4 messages are too beautiful? Okay, regeneration. Then there is new life. Okay, soulmates and breathe. And please be careful about all that glitters is not gold. So that's the message for you. Let me see. What is your soulmate feeling towards you? What are they thinking? What your soulmate wants to tell you? I am here to tell you out. What does they think about you? What does they feel about you? Let me know the feelings. Help me out to deliver the messages. What Aquarius soulmates want to tell Aquarius? They want to tell you that you are my soulmate. You are my soulmate. You bring peace to me. Beautiful messages from your soulmate Aquarius. You are smart and practical. They want to tell you this. Any other message? You always give me a shoulder to cry on. Okay. You and I have so much in common. They want to tell you this. You make me a positive person. You love me for what I am. Okay. Any other message? You respect everything I like. Your soulmate wants to tell you this, Aquarius. You are always ready to help me. You and me deal with every situation well. That's a very cute message, Aquarius. And I love one message which I will show you again, that I personally love this message, is you are my soulmate. They want to tell you, they feel that you are their soulmate too. So they want to tell you this. Let me add some charms to your reading. The signs you can be dealing with your soulmate can be the oh, okay, 1 minute. Okay, so there are clove leaves, Aquarius. One is the silver clove. Luck is on your side. You do not have to worry at all. There is one silver big clove leaf, then there is golden clove leaf, and there is a third clove leaves. So there are 3 clove leaves. Okay, so luck is on your side. The signs you are dealing with are Scorpio. Okay, that can be your soulmate. And then there is a Cancer, Taurus. Okay, Taurus, Aries, and Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, then there is a key here. You have a solution for something Aquarius. There is a pair of butterfly. How cute and beautiful it is. I love it. There is a pair of butterfly. So you and your soulmate both are getting transformed, basically Aquarius. Okay, that is for your sure. Transformation is coming for you and your soulmate. Actually, there are 3 butterflies. There are 2 silver butterflies and there is 1 small golden butterfly. Wow. So that can be a possibility that one is your karmic soulmate and one is your divine counterpart. So that can be a possibility. There is an owl in pair. You're getting lots of intuitions. You're getting intuitive, more intuitive than before. And again, I'm having 3 owls for you. Wow. Okay, there is a small owl and there are 2 big owls. I hope it is clear to you. There is a one hand. There is good fortune coming your way. This is very lucky, Aquarius, and it is there in pair. Okay, everything is in pair. Okay, you're dealing with your divine counterpart. This is also in pair. The hand is there in your pair, in the pair. Okay, there is a star. New hopes and desires are coming. Okay, elephant is also in pair. There are 3 elephants, so you need to keep your strength is there. You need to keep your strength. Lots of strength are coming your way. There is a fish. Good news, good source, good news is coming your way. Some kind of good news. Then there is some small elephant with the baby elephant. So some of you can be dealing with your parent, with your child parent. Okay, there are angel wings which are protecting you. There are 4 angel wings, I can say that. Okay, so there are 4 angel wings. There are angels which are protecting you. There is a flower in pair again. So bloom and blossom like a flower, Aquarius. Again, this is in pair. Again, there is a flower. So you are dealing with your divine counterpart for sure. There is a leaf again in pair. Golden leaf. Good luck is there with you. You do not have to worry. Luck is on your side, Aquarius. There are 4 leaves again. So this is you and your divine counterpart. Lots of good news. Nature is sending you lots of messages that good news is coming your way. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, anchor is there. So some solid foundation is coming your way. Then this is also a part of something. I don't know the meaning, but it is in pair. Okay, if you know the meaning of this, then let me know in the comment section. I get everything in pair for you. Usually I get paired for you. And I also don't know the meaning of these, but let me know in the comment section if you know the meaning of these signs, okay? But these are the good fortunes, good luck charms for you. Then there is a moon and star here. You're getting more intuitive. Okay, you're getting more intuitive, and the new hopes and desires is there. There is a small leaf. So there is a small leaf here. And there is a tree. Okay, so these are the charms for you, my Aquarius. Why I am thinking that there is something which is not I am adding in your reading. Yeah, let me add this one too. Power of love. Let me add some message from this, because this is your soulmate reading. So let me add some message from this deck too. Okay, help me out to deliver the message which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Give me the messages which are important. Commitment. Okay, you dedicate yourself to your beliefs wholeheartedly, knowing that love is the essence of your very well-being, right? So commitment is there, Aquarius, for you. This is the first message for you. Then there is spontaneity. You move beyond the constraints of the mind and freely and lovingly embrace new situations. So that's the message for you. Then there is cooperation. In your quest to manifest the energy of love, you realize that every person has experience to value. And that's right, Aquarius. Every person has a value. Every person and their experience has a value. Okay, then there is action. You have the courage to express the unique colors of your soul. Wow. Let me add some message from this deck too. Crazy sexy love notes. Any love note from the soulmate. Let me know any message, any love note from the soulmate. Any message which are important to deliver to my Aquarius. Give me the message which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Stop comparing, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message for you. Okay, apples don't compare themselves to orange. Stars don't compete with other stars. They know there is room for all to shine in the ever expanding universe. So embrace your differences. Celebrate your quirks and kinks. Bring your fullest expression of self forward and champion others when they do the same. So stop comparing. Maybe some of you are comparing yourself. Then there is press up your nest. Spouse up your nest. It's time for a little spring cleaning. Your home is scared and your surroundings matter. Honor where you recharge and fill it with beauty. Make space by giving away or donating what you do not need. Your clutter could be someone else's gold. Okay, plus when we have less to process physically, we have more room to process things emotionally. A clear head and a new room for great art awaits. Sprouse up your fabulous nest. Okay, so clean up your nest, basically, Aquarius. Maybe there is something which you need to which you can give to others. Okay, then there is decide, and there are feathers here. That's what I was getting, the feathers for you. It's time to make a decision. Okay, it's time to make a decision. Being on the fence drains your energy. No matter what you choose, it will be the exact right thing for your spiritual path. Channel your energy, be decisive, learn, grow, and decide. Let me see any other message for Aquarius. Any other message? compassion for all. Okay, compassion is the beating heart of all spiritual practices. The peace you seek comes from the peace you create. Extend your compassion for all beings today, including yourself. Everyone benefits when you are kind. May all beings be happy and free. Okay, then there is make waves. It's your turn to make a splash and rock a few creaky boats. Don't be afraid to get wet. You may fail, you may look foolish, or you may make people think in a new way. Every great change maker made waves. You are no different. So Aquarius, whatever you're thinking to change or making waves, okay, so do it. Say you are sorry. Are you carrying around regret? Is there a relationship that needs healing but you just don't know what to say? Give your pride a rest and simply start I am sorry. Take responsibility and acknowledge your role in the situation. Apologize for them and for you. Then let it go and be very proud of yourself. Making sorry amends is not easy, but it's a huge leap forward on your spiritual path. Bravo. Okay, so these are the messages. This was also I got for you, a new day. Okay, so a new day was the message. Let go of what was in order to make room for others. What to come. Okay, it may be time to release a relationship that has run its course, a job that lost its luster, a depleting commitment. Okay, commitment. A past is over. What's done is done. Acknowledge the feelings, learn from the experience, and give yourself permission to release any negative emotions or guilt. When one area of your life falls apart, new opportunities fall into place. So these are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Thank you, crazy, sexy, loving notes for my Aquarius. So this was your soulmate love reading, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will help you out in some manner, basically. Okay, I hope it will resonate with you. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so sending you lots of love and light and happiness to each of you Aquarius all over the world. Till the time, take care of yourself, my beautiful Aquarius, and see you soon.